Kate Jettyburn.
And I'm Will Smith.
And we're with Global Transport Express. Global Transport Express is a trucking and logistics company headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. And we focus primarily on the air freight markets, especially international exports. We do handle some imports as well, and we focus on services that provide a whole solution for our customers moving freight into the airport and through the shipping process, including screening. So we are an independent certified cargo screening facility and provide those services so that we can transfer freight as seamlessly as possible.
When we purchased the company, one of our main value creation initiatives was efficiency.
Before Kale, we dealt with all kinds of operational ambiguity in terms of our transfers to Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport.
And one of the things that we recognized right away was our inability to get a truck out of our dock and over to the airport, unloaded and back in a timely fashion.
That created large problems for us, not knowing whether a freight might arrive at the airport and wait 3 hours or whether it might wait 6 hours.
I can only imagine how much lost resources and time are committed to just getting freight from point A to point B. We have to kind of get to a point where we're efficiently utilizing all of our resources. And a system, a planning system like Kale is the first step that we need to make in order for everyone to understand how to move in unison to eliminate all of those inefficiencies that we were talking about. Looking for a solution that we could utilize to give us some semblance of predictability for our fleet. And it was very necessary because we are a small fleet, so we did not have a lot of latitude. We don't have a large operating budget to absorb a lot of inefficiencies. So it was just really, really important for us to find a solution that we could utilize. And it was somewhat serendipity that we came across the Kale logistics team. We got on board right away. We started with their pilot, and the pilot was very useful for us because we immediately saw an improvement in our ability to know that if we send a driver out, we could expect to have that driver back in a very defined time frame, whether that be 20 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour. And that's much better relative to 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours.
After Kale, what a difference. The world changed. Being able to provide the highest level of customer service, being able to meet your customers' needs when it comes to timing and certainty that their cargo is going to get to the airport when it needs to get to the airport, and that you have eliminated as many barriers as possible to that freight flying as directed.
It went well. We loved it. We worked really well with the Kale team. There was a two-way communication. We provided a lot of feedback. I think they incorporated into their solution almost immediately. And we still have a really good working relationship with that team. So we're just looking forward to seeing Kale become a mainstay around the Atlanta airport and help us get to that #1 spot from a cargo traffic standpoint.
And that would include everything from proper documentation to arriving at the airport pre-screened so that it does not get caught in a logjam of screening for freight that has not been screened prior to arriving, so that freight arrives at the airport with proper documentation, ready to move onto an aircraft, and meets the cut time required for the airline so that the freight will actually fly.